Starting next week, Valley residents will have another option on how to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
Starting on February 11th, some CVS pharmacy locations will begin administering the vaccine, including one in Clovis. CBS 47's Liv Johnson live at the Fresno County Health Department with more. Liv.
State and local governments have been urging Washington to provide more doses of the COVID-19 vaccine, and today it seems as though some of those needs will soon begin to be met.
Starting on February 11th, the federal government will deliver vaccines directly to select pharmacies across the country.
Last week, the Biden administration increased the weekly allocation of vaccine doses to states and territories in the U.S. by 16%. And today, Jeff Zients from the COVID-19 task force said the administration is increasing that number by an additional 5%.
So for the next 3 weeks, we will provide a minimum of 10.5 million in total doses per week across all jurisdictions.
Also word that the federal retail pharmacy program will begin overseeing the shipment of vaccine directly to retail pharmacies. 100 CVS pharmacies in California will receive the vaccine, including a location or locations in Clovis. So far, they're not saying which location in Clovis will get the vaccine.
This is a limited launch of the program, but supply will ultimately go up to 40,000 pharmacies nationwide.
The list of specific stores will be available on CVS.com as stores receive shipments of vaccine and appointments become available. Jeremy Elin, the Chief Operations Officer at Sierra Pacific Orthopedics in Fresno, says he hopes the federal retail pharmacy program will take some of the pressure off of local healthcare providers and allow more people to get vaccinated.
Any more doses that we see in the Central Valley is obviously good for Fresno, right? And anything that's good for Fresno and good for our patients is good for us.
We'll let you know when local pharmacies get the vaccine as soon as that information becomes available. Reporting live from downtown Fresno, I'm Liv Johnson, CBS 47 Eyewitness News.